In front of me is Emporia SMART 5, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Privacy section. In it, tap on Permission Manager and select one of your device's options, like location. Now just click on one of your apps, in my case Chrome, and apply the best option for you. Allow only while using the app or deny. I will go with allow only while using, so when I click and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. But you can always select any feature and then look for an app that you wish to manage, like YouTube. Now click on See All YouTube Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!